What up? Welcome to Broke Boys Cooking. Got another one going. This one's kind of fun. I kind of thought about it. Sounds good. Looks good. Hopefully it tastes good. Get your chicken and season it up. That is leg meat without the bone. Now that your chicken is cooking, grab your cheese, grate the cheese. Grate about 8 ounces of it. This is a now that your chicken's cooked, you're gonna remove it and shred it up. And I'll show you why. I just thought about it. I'm cooking some bacon too with it. Now that you got your oven preheated to 420, because we only bake at 420. Got your chicken, your bacon cut up, you got your French roll. Spread it. Now that you got it fully spread it with some garlic butter, add some of your white sauce on it. Spread it. Cheese. Nice little thick little layer of cheese on there. Don't be shy. Got a lot of cheese left. Take some chicken. Remember, it don't gotta be perfect. It's homemade. Should look something like that. Put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, maybe 20, until it's nice and crispy and all the cheese is melted. Alright, it's been there for about that long. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now look,